Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device, update iOS, and make a quick backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, decide whether you want to restrict access or simply hide the App Store icon. Now open Settings and go straight to Screen Time. If you haven't set a screen time passcode, create one. This is required to enforce the removal. Make sure you know that deleting the App Store app completely isn't supported, so you're configuring restrictions to simulate removal. Next, enable content and privacy restrictions inside Screen Time and enter your passcode. This is the action that prevents App Store use. Once enabled, tap iTunes and App Store purchases and change Installing Apps to Don't Allow. This blocks new downloads and effectively hides the App Store icon. Also set deleting apps and in-app purchases to Don't Allow if you want to prevent changes. Make sure content restrictions don't permit edits. These settings maintain control. To finish, close settings and restart your device so the home screen refreshes and hidden icons settle into place. After reboot, attempt to open the App Store or download an app. You should see Install Blocked or a restriction notice. If the App Store still appears or installations work, recheck content and privacy restrictions and ensure the screen time passcode is active. If problems persist, toggle screen time off then back on or reset the passcode. That usually resolves sync or policy application glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.